Welcome. In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages you should have your power saving mode, so just keep on swiping to the left till you find the toggle itself, and for me it is the last one right over here. It's named battery saver to be more precise, and once you tap on it, it gives you this pop-up: turn on battery saver, battery saver turns on dark theme, restricts background activity, and delays notification. Anyway, let's select turn on, and there we go, it's now enabled. Now out of this message that I just read, there is one very important portion of it, which is the delay and the notification. So what it basically means is when you enable your power saving mode and you stop using your device, so you lock it and just leave it, the device will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data, and because of that you won't be receiving notifications, but the device does reconnect to it every some specific period of time to see if it's missing anything, and then delivers to you all those notifications at once. Therefore, as you can imagine, that's where the delay part comes in. Now, if this is something that just kind of breaks the power saving mode for you, I'm sorry, there's nothing really you can do outside of that. There is, if you don't want to use power saving mode because of that specific delay, you could basically toggle off everything that would consume battery. So things like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, lower down the brightness. What else we got here? So there's the hotspot and NFC, and I think that's about it, at least in the terms that I have enabled. So yeah, all of those would increase your battery life. Brightness will have the biggest impact on your battery life, though this will only affect screen on time and not the idle state like this one. So yeah. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.